WordPress sites are under siege. Over 6,000 have been hacked to install malicious plugins that push information-stealing malware. These plugins display fake software updates and errors, tricking users into downloading harmful scripts. Information-stealing malware has become a major threat to security worldwide. Stolen credentials are used to breach networks and steal sensitive data. Since 2023, campaigns like ClearFake have exploited this vulnerability, distributing malware through fake web browser update banners. In 2024, a new campaign called ClickFix emerged, mimicking software error messages with supposed fixes. These fixes are actually PowerShell scripts that download and install malware. ClickFix has become increasingly common, targeting platforms like Google Chrome, Facebook, and even CAPTCHA pages. GoDaddy reported that ClearFake and ClickFix threat actors have breached over 6,000 WordPress sites. They install plugins that appear legitimate but contain malicious scripts. These plugins mimic names of real ones like WordFence Security and Lightspeed Cache, or use generic names to deceive administrators. Once installed, these plugins hook into WordPress actions to inject malicious JavaScript into the site's HTML. This script loads another malicious file from a Binance Smart Chain smart contract, displaying fake banners. Threat actors use stolen admin credentials to automate plugin installation, bypassing login pages. If your WordPress site displays fake alerts, check your installed plugins immediately. Remove any you did not install and reset admin passwords to unique ones. This proactive approach can help safeguard your site from these malicious campaigns and protect your users from potential data theft. CD Technology is dedicated to the security of your business. Contact us today to schedule a free network assessment, 865-909-7606.